Have you ever been stuck on a plane with a dead phone, dry skin, and no legroom? Yep, it's not fun. If there's one thing that I've learned is that for long haul flights, comfort is way more important than you think. Let's just face the fact that you will be stuck in a plane for 10 plus hours and you will need some comfort items. Even if you don't sleep, quote unquote, you will need some comfort items to help you rest during your flight. You probably spend a lot of time, energy, and money planning your trip, so you want to be well rested when you land to your destination. Which brings me to the first item, which is a neck pillow. This is the neck pillow that I have. I used to have one that you could put around your neck. You could adjust it according to how comfortable you are. Unfortunately, I lost it on my last trip, but this will do if you just get the basic one. The second item is noise canceling headphones. I have my Apple headphones. These are a must for long flights. You will need them to block out the noise from the plane and from other people in general. If you want to get some rest, trust me, these headphones will help you keep your sanity. The third item is an eye mask. At first, I thought I would not need them, but the cabin light can stay on forever and it can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to sleep. I got this from Amazon. You obviously don't have to get pink ones, there are black ones, but they're cheap and they're very comfortable. Item number 4 is a large scarf or a blanket. The blankets that they give you are very small, and what I like about this type of scarves is that you can unfold it and you can use it as a blanket. As you can see, it's pretty big. You can use it as a pillow as well. What I like about these is that when you fold them, they don't take up a whole amount of space in your backpack. See? Item number 5 is a toiletry bag with a lot of little things that you will need. It's like a little hygiene bag. I have these little wisp disposable toothbrushes. You don't need water or toothpaste. This, you use them and then you throw them away. Face wipes that I need in case if you're a girl and you're wearing makeup, you want to take it off. These are very essential. Deodorant that you can carry in your bag. If you want to use a toothbrush, you can put it in a little Ziploc bag and carry like a little travel size toothpaste. Also, hand sanitizer, it's very important. A lot of times the restroom from the plane doesn't have enough soap or hand sanitizer. That's why I like to carry mine. And I also have mouthwash. And the reason why I like to use clear bags, it's because a lot of times you want to be able to access the things that you need fast. And I like that you're able to see everything that you have in your little bag. Trust me, feeling fresh and clean during mid-flight can make a huge difference. After a 10-hour flight, you will not feel the cleanest. That's why this little bag is so important, because you want to feel put together and clean before you land. Item number 6 is what I call self-care items, and you can put these items on a separate bag for easy access. When you travel, there are 2 items in particular that are extremely necessary, and those items are chapstick and hand cream. Airplane air will dry you up, trust me. That's why these 2 items are so important. In this little bag, I also carry eye drops that I frequently use, perfume, contacts, gum or mints, birth control pills, and I also like to carry these Aqua 4. You can use this as chapstick or just use it on your hands, arms, whatever part of your body feels dry or itchy. This one is very helpful. And this is a bag that I like to have for easy access, just because some of the items in this bag, I use them during the flight frequently. In this bag, you can also have things like melatonin, Tylenol, ibuprofen, things that you think you will need. And I also like to carry disinfectant wipes. I don't have them here right now, but that's another item that I carry in this little bag when I travel. And item number 7 is a water bottle. In many airports, you're not allowed to bring liquids with you. That's why I like to bring my water bottle empty. But what I do is fill it up after I go through security. On long flights, you need to keep yourself hydrated. Item number 8 is snacks. Airplane food can be a hit or miss. That's why it's important to bring your own snacks. That way you're not starving during mid-flight. Another tip is to have a good meal before you get on the plane. This will help you keep your tummy full and avoid hunger. Item number 9 is entertainment. So I like to bring my iPad because I download shows, movies, audiobooks that I like to listen to. A little hack is to download white noise or relaxing sound music that you can listen to when you're trying to sleep. I didn't think much about it, but once I did it, it was a game changer. Item number 10 is your charging cables and portable battery. So I like to carry this little bag with me. And what I have is this portable charger that I carry with me. And I have the cables that I need to charge my electronics. In this little bag, I also carry this little air fly. That's what it's called, air fly. And it's this little, I don't know if you can see there, but this is a Bluetooth adapter that you connect to the screen or the monitor of the plane, which then connects to your headphones. You know, the headphones that they give you in the plane are very low quality and very uncomfortable. So, in my opinion, this is a game changer. There's another little item that I found on Amazon that has been super helpful because a lot of times when you want to watch something on your iPad or your phone, you have to put it on the tray table. But if you're eating, you don't have enough space and it's just a mess. So, this is a little phone holder. Let me show you. It's this little mount that you can use for your iPad or your phone. So, basically, you would connect it to the back of the tray of the plane whenever it's closed. You put it there, and then this is a magnet. So this comes with this little magnet that you can put it on the back of your iPad or the back of your phone. And what it does is that it holds your iPad or your phone. And this is super helpful. I love this thing. And when you're done, you can just close it and put it in your little bag. And the last item is a folder for your documents. So this is a little folder that I got, I think from Walmart or Amazon, I don't remember, but it has a zipper. And here you can put things like your passports. You can have pens. A lot of times there will be documents that you need to fill out once you land. And here I also carry a notebook. I like to carry a notebook just to have important contacts, emergency contacts, in case my phone dies and I don't have access to those phone numbers. That's why I carry a notebook, pens, passports, and also boarding passes. Once I'm done using those, I'll put them in this folder. See, everything is safe and secure in this little bag since it has a zipper, which I love. Those are all the items that I think are essential to bring with you on your next long haul flight. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.